This project in Canby is one that's been needed for a very long time. As everyone has noticed, the road is in bad shape. There's a lot of heavy truck use. There's a school on one side, a lot of places the kids want to go and eat, a lot of pedestrian traffic, bicycle traffic. We're here to make the road safer and smoother. Once we started the project, we noticed that the stormwater pipe was in bad shape. So we're starting now to get the stormwater pipe replaced over the winter, and so that way we can focus on the curb ramps in the spring and then paving in the summer. And then safety is a big factor. We want to make sure that the workers are safe and then the traveling public is safe. So we appreciate all your help when it comes to slowing down in a work zone and being cautious and being careful. Expect a lane to be closed in each direction around the clock. You can also expect flaggers to direct traffic when needed. Please plan for delays and watch for detours that affect where people are walking or biking. You can also check out tripcheck.com for real-time traffic information or sign up for email updates on the project website. We appreciate your patience as we make these improvements.